Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. This is our little project today. It's a Matchbox Alfa Carabo. I'm going to restore it, but I'm just going to change the color. Somebody's painted it a couple of times, and I'm going to restore it back to its original condition. Just change the color. Here we are starting out, drilling our rivet posts. This is the first one I had any problems with drilling the front post especially. Back one drilled out just great, but if you're quick you'll catch my little faux pas. Interior real nice, little gruffy, don't like the color. Windshield great condition, needs a little buff up and pledge. Wheels in this car were in excellent condition. Somebody really took care of this one, or it got tossed in a drawer over the years and just left. For some reason that front one wouldn't come off, or the rear one, whichever. So I drilled out the little plastic strip, suspension strip that is, which was good because it was bent the other way, and I had to do the boiling water trick. Alright, see if you can catch it. Yes, I drilled right through the front hood, or bonnet, whatever. Always make sure you put a little awl on the rivet post before you tap it. I went ahead and still tapped the front one, and then just shortened the screw, filled in the rest of the hole with a little putty, and sanded it down. Got to clean up those posts. Make sure reassembly goes smoothly. Taking off the rest of the plastic pieces, like the vent cover on the back. The louvers, whatever. It's a god-awful color for a sport car, but here's our famous stripper, Fifi La Citrus. Little bath and some mineral spirits. Top and bottom, anything you're going to paint. time for a little bit of primer. Again, I use the Rust-Oleum self-etching primer. Doesn't cloud any of the details, and I can get a large can for less than the cost for the Tamiya small can. Good product, just don't like their pricing. Here we are, a little bit out of angle the shot is, dipping our plastic pieces after they came out of the hot soapy water. I thought about painting that louver in the back, but I dipped it in pledge first, and it turned out great, so it was kind of scuffed. And like I said earlier, these wheels were in really great condition. So I just used the chrome pen, touched up the chrome. Then when it all was said and done, after that chrome paint dried, I dipped them in the pledge as well. And I think they turned out excellent. Here's a little paint going on. What better color for an Italian sports car than Italian red? See how good those wheels turned out? I mean, they're almost like brand spanking new. Try to get her all snapped back together here. There you go, fumble fingers. Dropping it again. I put it back on with a little medium super glue, and then hit it with the accelerator. You'll notice I sprayed that interior kind of a golden tan color. That's right, dummy. Grab the super glue. Get her all glued on. I love the smell of that accelerator. I don't know what anybody else thinks, but she smelled good. Get our louvers back on. Again, hit it with the super glue. interior glass turned out beautiful. Like I said, I don't think there was much abuse along the lines on this one. There's our lovely seats. Get the body back on with our button screws. Here's what we started with, guys and gals. Kind of a cool looking sports car, but a terrible paint job. And here's what we ended up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opal saying goodbye.